Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you the end of the week update here of the portfolio. We're going to show you the buys, the updates on trackyourdividends.com. We're going to go through the performance for the week, and we're just going to talk about if we can ever find the bottom of this market and start seeing those sweet gains that we've seen for the past 10 years or so. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So for the end of the week here, the portfolio closed out at $11,540.63. We are up $155.82 on the day, which is rare to see in these times. For the 1 week, we are down $239.39, down 2.03%. For the 1 month, we are down $533.19, down 4.42%. For the 3 months, we are down $857.38, down 6.92%. For the 1 year, we are up $670.29, up 6.17%. And for the all since starting this portfolio, we are up $1,440.83, up 14.27%. For the buys today, we had purchased Manulife, ticker symbol MFC. This is an insurance company or a financial investment company as well, because they do a little bit of that. Today, it closed out at $22.52 Canadian. They are up 66 cents on the day, up 3.02%. Our total position has 42 shares, total value of $945.84. Average cost of getting in is $22.33, which is a bit lower than what it closed out at today. It holds about 8.29% of the portfolio. Today's return was $25.48, up 2.77%. And our total return since owning the position is $8.15, up 0.87%. So we did purchase 4 shares today of this one at a cost of $22.42. We bought that this morning with a total cost of $89.68. The next position that we purchase is, as we always do, every time we make a full purchase of a few shares, if the cash count permits it, we do put in $25 every single time as well, on top of the $100 to purchase a fractional share of VFV, which is the S&P 500 Vanguard ETF. Closing out today at $92.35, up $1.30 today, up 1.43%. This is not correct, but now we have 4.81 of a share of shares. Total position value of 444, $444.44. Average cost of getting in is $98.69. So we are bringing down the dollar cost average in VFV. And we hold about 3.86% in this portfolio. And as you can see here, the fractional buy was for a even $25. It got us 0.2709 of a share at $92.27, which came out to a total of $25. And those are the positions that we purchased today and updated the portfolio. We have $25.94 in the cash account, which is fantastic. We will, however, head over to trackyourdividends.com to update this side of things. So today, if you build a portfolio without the updated positions, you can see that your yield would be about 3.64%. Our yield on cost is 4.21% with dollar cost averaging strategy, and the annual income of $414 from dividends, obviously broken up into quarters. So we are going to update a few things here. Ticker symbol for Manulife is MFC, and we don't want to forget it's .to. There it is. We purchased 4 shares of this at $22.42. Go ahead and add those holdings there. Updated there. We'll go ahead and add VFV as well. And there it is. Number of shares, we got 0.2709 of a share at a cost basis of $92.27. Go ahead and add that holding. And there it is. So as you can see here, the portfolio now is at $11,495 Canadian. If you build a portfolio with the updated positions, you would get a yield of 3.65% on return on investment. And we are currently getting 4.22%. So it is up a little bit there from 0.21 to 0.22. Annual income has now gone up to $420 for the year. And as we go down here, let's go over Manulife Financial Corporation. We now have 42 shares. And you can see that the yield today, 5.86, we are getting about 5.91% on our yield with dollar cost averaging as a strategy. And annual income for dividends for the year is $55.44. If we go down to VFV, we are almost at 5 shares. And you would get a better yield on this investment if you were to invest today than we are, because we had bought previously, and we do get all the gains and all the losses, mostly the losses for the past 5 months. Annual income from VFV is $5.27 from dividends, obviously divided into quarters. It says here in May we're not going to get any dividends, but I don't think that's true because we already got some. And that is trackyourdividends.com. As we head over to ShareSite, this one is already updated here. We'll go through the performance of the portfolio. We are down $785.45 on the portfolio, down 6.43%. Dividends coming in at $132.75 year to date, up 1.09%. Currency gain with a little bit of that foreign exchange with U.S. company holdings that we have brings our total performance in this calendar year at negative 4.94%. And as you can see here, with the graph, even though lines don't really mean anything in the world of what we're doing, we are just flatlining. There is no continual growth. We are just trying to survive and maintain a level where it's not dipping. So we are buying the dip of the dip. And so as you can see here, grand total since January 1st, all the numbers are broken down here. $11,476.26. Does not include the cash account of any sort. Capital gains down $785.45, dividends $132.75, and currency gain of $49.69, which brings our grand total return down $603 and a penny. And so that is the whole portfolio, guys. And something I just want to talk about, I did hear this on a podcast because I do listen to a lot of financial podcasts, where I think it was like $13 trillion was wiped out from the world with the way the market is going. And don't quote me on those numbers because I might be just throwing numbers out there. And 99% of stats are made up. And so the market just keeps on going down. But today we did see a little bit of a jump in the market in a lot of things. There were earnings that came out in some companies that I own. But overall, portfolio is still up, which is fantastic. And are we ever going to see the bottom? I'm not sure. There really is no way that I can tell. There's no way that anyone can tell if we're at the bottom of the market. And that goes for people that try to time the market. And so it's not really a thing. In my opinion, we won't know until it's well past. And so for me, I'll just continue dollar cost averaging down, just dollar cost averaging in general. You know, there are, like in my last video or a couple videos ago, we were talking about finding value plays. And I think this is the opportunity where you can start actually looking and finding those really good value plays and deals in companies, in positions that you may want to start. And I may sound like a broken record, but it's completely true. There's companies that are showing immense value that I hold, where they're holding billions of dollars in cash, and their market cap is not matching really what the company represents. And that might just be investor sentiment. And so I'm seeing these positions, I'm seeing these companies, and I'm just itching to invest in them, to put a little bit more money into them, to dollar cost average down, but really see hopefully the returns that come in the future when there is a turnaround. Inevitably, there will be when it comes to these sort of things. The market always tends to go up. There are times where the market is down, but always if you zoom out and look at that line, and if you look at the graph, typically you'll see the left side of the point is lower than the right side of the point, which is always typically higher. and we continue to reach new levels as the world grows, as the economy grows, and just the market grows in general. More and more companies come into the market, and same goes for more and more companies leave the market. But that's pretty much just the way it is. And so that's pretty much it for the video, guys. But we do have a referral down in the description. If you want to use that code, once you fund your account, you'll get a free stock. We'll get a free stock. If you saw in the last video, we did get a free Meta stock, which is previously known as Facebook. So it was fantastic that way. But we do have another one. And so we will go ahead and open it and see what we get. And AMC, Entertainment Holdings, which is one of those meme stocks. We are getting $13.48 from that. And it's not a bad thing because I think AMC had a little run there in the market. And it's pretty exciting. I know GME had a run in the market as well for you meme players out there. So we'll go ahead and deposit that into the cash account, and that'll go to the next trade. So again, if you want to use that referral code, you most definitely can. If we go into here, Adam, thank you for using the referral code. And then hopefully you are watching this video if you just want to let me know what you got. So that, thank you for the $13.48. And Joshua, just a shout out to Joshua again for that Facebook stock at 267.18. Greatly appreciated. Much gratitude. In total, we have earned $1,030.46 from the referrals. So thank you guys for using that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for continuing your support, leaving a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.